Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
What's good, YouTube? After I put my tie rods on, man, well, right before I put the passenger side on, I noticed I had a hell of a lot of play, like in the linkage. So I did everything, and then when I turned the wheel, one of the wheel, or the passenger side wheel, it wasn't accurate. It was like turning slow. So I was about to pay the shop. I told him I needed probably a pitman arm. He was like, "You sure you don't need an idle arm?" Like, I don't know, man. I just want my shit fixed. So you talking about tomorrow or whatever. So I'm like, man, forget it. He said idle arm. So we about to change this idle arm. I don't know if this the problem or not. Like, it ain't. I can push it up a little bit now since everything bolted. But we about to change this out. So y'all come on this journey with me, man. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're about to figure it out. Guarantee you that. Yeah. So we're about to change this here. Let's see if I can show y'all real quick. I would be wrapped up in all these fucking cords. Alright. Where's it? Don't even know where the new part is. So we're about to change this. It looks simple, but you know, the simple stuff always turns into something major. I don't know if I'm gonna have to push this off. I can't turn my light on because the battery too low, but we about to figure it out regardless. So come on this journey with your boy. Alright, back with y'all, YouTube. I ended up getting it off. I had to take the two bolts out. Forgot what size, man. What is it? I forgot. Anyway, I know this bolt is 21 millimeter, but I was wrestling with it. I don't feel like I ain't got no vise. I got a vise. I just ain't got it mounted. I ain't about to go through all that. So what I did, I just went and bought one. It's like $85 or something with tax. Bought it. I tried to get it off, like I said, hard as hell. So just went and bought one. This was 85. I think this was like 55, 65. So all that shit'll be new. Fuck it. Tired of wrestling with it. I've been in and out of the house, wrestling with it here and there, come back. Now I gotta make a move and can't even go nowhere because I'm still fucking around with this. So we're gonna put this together, put it back on, do some adjustments, and hopefully this is it. If not, we're gonna end up having to do the, what is it? The pitman arm or whatever the hell. Or the pitman, whatever else we're gonna do. Because we getting it done regardless. And not taking it to no shop. I am the shop. So let's go on and knock this out, man. Get this done and over with. What else? Oh yeah, then I would have had to rent something to pull this apart, even though I wasn't renting shit. I'd have got it out somehow, even if I had to cut it. But I didn't feel like going through all that. So yeah, let's go and get to it, man. Put this back together, get this on here, get the hell up out of here. Alright. Okay, YouTube. One thing we really gotta do now is, let me see if I can show y'all. Oh shit, my fault, y'all, my fault. Is both those two, both them. Really just tighten everything up. So since we took everything and did the ball joints and tie rods and all that. What I do, or what I'm gonna do, get you 2 jacks. Got 1 jack, 2 jack. You see the tires barely off the ground. It's barely off. So I'm gonna loosen up the tie rods and I'm gonna drop them in. Then I'm gonna tighten the bolt. But before you do all that, like you see, I got that one in. Get this other one. So it should drop in. Yeah. Let's go and drop it in. Yeah, it's in. So it's in. So what you want to do is look down the side of your vehicle at the back wheel and the front wheel and get them as even as possible until you get you a real alignment. So what I do, give me a board that's even all the way around. I mean, straight across. Center of the wheel and push it against the frame of the vehicle. So it's straight as possible. Like that. Come on this side. Same thing. And if it's not, you just gotta go adjust the camber and all that. My fault with the light. Yeah. So that's even. And then you come, I don't even know if this light gonna come on, y'all. But fuck that. I gotta go get me a charger. This fucking charge is fucked up. Then you come in, make sure your steering wheel is straight. Boom. After that, drop everything in and bolt everything up. And you should be close to your wheel alignment. I don't know nothing about no tape measures. I don't know nothing about all that. Then after all that, shit, you can ride if it's cool with you or find your alignment shop. It's hard to find an alignment shop to do 26s. For me, I called everything I could think of. If it's nothing close, I tell you that. It's either gonna be far as hell or they don't do it. So it is what it is. I can put my factory back on, but I ain't got factory. I ain't even go get those wheels yet. I can put the factory on, get the wheel alignment, then take them back off and it's too much work. Shit. Got somebody else gonna do it. But let me go and bolt this shit up. Alright, YouTube. We wrapping this up now. We wrapping it up. Everything's bolted up. Everything's bolted up. Just look down the side real quick. Y'all really can't see because this light, I don't know, this phone tripping. Yeah. Straight. Straight on. Yeah. Straight on. And I put the skid plate back, but I'll do that later. My bad. I'm gonna fuck around with this car for too long today. Steering wheel is straight. So hopefully YouTube, this is what it is. All right.